Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of TWGR. Me and my son Sean are out here on Tibble Fork Res doing a little fishing. And Sean boy ahead of me there trying to catch a lunker. So yeah, I thought I'd record a little bit of this trip, bring you guys along. Catch anything, boy? No? Did you get a snagger?
Snagged it, coils all over.
Let me help you, boy. Watch your paddle. Let's see what I can do to help you.
There you go. There's all the snags, and then I pull this around. Oh, wow.
Oh, well.
Just edit that part out.
Beep, YouTube. Beep.
Just edit that part out.
Well, it doesn't have a little beep on my editor thingy. So I guess I'll have to let that one slide. I don't think I have a whole lot of kids that watch my YouTube channel, do I? If there's any kids out there, holla. And I'll make sure from now on that stuff's not
You can't curse, but you can drink alcohol.
Oh yeah, it's different.
Son of a... I don't like this father. I'm so mad at this thing.
Let me look. Alright, so we got Sean boy all worked out, all sorted out there. And he's going to find another spot. He's in front of me. He's going to go find another spot to throw his line in. I'm just going to chase him here. You got shade over there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was just wondering if you wanted to come next to me, but I don't want to get one spot.
No, you go ahead. I'm gonna get some of this on film here if I can. Check it out. Go like this with your pole. Put it in back behind you and go forward with it, and it'll make you go backwards. There you go. Good job. Oh yeah, no problem.
Ready, all right.
Woo! You caught a tree, son. Nice, you got it out. That's hilarious. I got you. You're good. You might want to back out into here a little bit more. Was there? He said that there was a fish following his lure. I know you guys can't hear. Make sure it's not wrapped around the end. There you go.
I see some fish following it, but none of them biting.
They will, just a little slower. Yeah. What up, guys? So I got Sean out there. He's gonna get ready to cast out again. Had a little bit of trouble. We got him sorted, and he's gonna get ready to cast out. So hopefully we can catch something. Oh, Melody's gonna see you running her boat into stuff.
I'll fight her.
Uh-oh. He said he'll fight you, Melody. It's not very nice of that young man. How are you? Good. What an absolute beauty of a day, guys. I'm out here with my son paddling. Just loving life. How are you guys? Doing good. We got some forest workers back there clearing the trail. I had to thank them. That's a great job to have, I would assume. And then to also get the thanks from all of us that enjoy the trails, you know. It's warm out here in the sun. We're headed back to the shade over here where the fishing is. Well, at least the good fishing. I found that if you get in the shade, which I'm sure most of you avid fishermen know, if you get in the shade, it's on a hot day, you're going to catch more fish than if you're out in the direct sun, because those ones are usually going to be lower, deeper in the lake. So, I'm just going to come back over here though and watch my son do some fishing. It's been such a relaxing day. I think this is my 5th day in a row paddling. I just can't get enough of it right now. You know how it is, you get a new boat, and you want to take it out a bunch, which I've been doing. And also thank you, Melody, for letting Sean Boy take the boat. I appreciate it. Alright guys, so we're done for the day. Fun little paddle, huh?
Yep.
I think it was pretty fun. Thanks for joining us, guys. I appreciate it. Be safe. Adventure on, everyone.